How to delete Windows Update files. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Windows Update files. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to open up your Windows Explorer. To do that, right click on your Windows button, Start, and head over to File Explorer. After you open up your File Explorer, head over to this PC and head over to Local Disk. After you're on your local disk, you will need to search for your Windows option. There you will see the Windows folder. Open this up. After you're on your Windows folder, you can see different options here. What you'll need to search for is a folder called your software distribution. Head over there, and after you're on your software distribution, head over to download. After you're here, simply Control select all, and after you do that, you can tap on the delete button and delete all of your folders. After you delete all of your folders, you can head back and then you can delete everything from your recycle bin. You can right click on it and tap on empty recycle bin. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you delete all of your Windows Update files and folders. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.